Good morning, Waleed. How are you today?
Good morning, Professor. I'm fine, thank you. I have a few questions about the assignment, though.
Sure, Waleed. Let's jump right into it. What would you like to discuss?
I'm trying to get the hang of the research process. Can you explain to me how to start?
Absolutely. First, you need to nail down your topic. That means you should decide exactly what you want to research. After that, you should dive into the literature. This means that you should start reading and doing research on your topic. It's important not to cut corners.
I understand. Sounds like a lot of work.
It is, but remember, Rome wasn't built in a day.
Okay, I see. Once I have my topic, what's next?
Thorough research is essential. Take your time, keep at it. Remember, consistency is the key.
Thanks, Professor. I have a concern. What if I get stuck?
If you get stuck, don't hesitate to reach out. Asking for help is part of the learning process. And remember, the ball is in your court. It's up to you to make the most of the resources available.
I will, Professor. Thank you so much for the advice.
You're welcome, Waleed. I'm sure you'll do great. Just keep these tips in mind and you will be well on your way.